Welcome to our channel. Today I am here to explain on odd man out of the, which is the first topic. Before starting the session, let's begin with one motivational quote. Life has two rules. First is never quit. Second is always remember first rule. Means if you ever want to successful in your life, first and foremost thing you need to do is never quit in your life. If you fail 1,000 times also, never accept the failure. Keep trying, accept the challenges, no matter what are the hurdles you come across in your life. Let's begin the session now. Odd man out. Odd man out, which is having 4 set of figures in which 3 are similar and 1 is different. You need to identify which is different. Okay? Different figure may be based on formation of side, rotation, like this. Okay, let's take first example. In first question, here in this they have given 4 set of questions. You need to identify 1 different figures. See here, in first question, see they have given 3 circles and inside triangle, means 3 circles inside 3 line formation of geometrical figure. In second, 3 circle but inside 4 line geometrical figure. In third question, third box, 4 circles inside 4 line geometrical figure. In fourth box, 5 circles and inside 5 line geometrical figure. Only second box is different from others, because all others having how many numbers of circles present at the outside, that many number line geometrical figure present at the inside. So 2 is different. Let's take second example. See here, first you observe all the boxes carefully. In first box is having 3 letters R, U and N. Now let's check in this in second box also. In second box also R, U, N is present, but only their position interchange. Now in fourth box, R is present, U is present, N also present, only position interchange. But in third box, R is absent. In place of R, they have given K. So our answer is third. Now take third question. See, in all the boxes, 1 bigger circle and 3 smaller circle. Now see one by one. In first box, 2 circles intersecting each other. In second box also see 2 circles intersecting. In third also 2 circles intersecting. But in fourth, 3 circles intersecting each other. So which is different from others? So our answer is fourth, because in other boxes only 2 circles are intersecting. Let's take fourth question. First you observe all the boxes carefully. All the boxes are having plus sign. See here, and all the boxes are having Y design also. Actually this is not Y, but you consider this is a Y shape. Okay. See, Y it is having, it is second box also having, third also having, fourth also having. In this case, what you need to do is, you just think in rotation way, either in clockwise or anti-clockwise. First I am doing in clockwise direction. Let's take this box. See, this diagonal line, now plus sign, which is towards west side now. Okay. Now I am rotating towards north side. When I rotate this figure towards north, my figure will appear like this. This diagonal will come first, next this slanting line, next plus sign here. This is towards north. Now I am rotating towards east. When I rotate my figure, this diagonal will appear here and this will come this side. Means plus will appear in middle. This is towards east, which is present in third. Now see towards south now. When I rotate this figure towards south, this diagonal will come this side, and this slanting line will come here, and this plus sign which is present in fourth figure. See, only second figure is different, so our answer is second one. Let's take fifth question. See here, in first you observe all the figures carefully. In first box only one part is shaded, in second part two part is shaded, in third box here also only one part is shaded, in fourth only one part is shaded. It means in second box two parts are shaded, so our answer is second one. Let's take sixth question. First you observe all the boxes carefully. In first box this middle line is dividing the square. So now see second box. Here in this they have given two triangles which are intersecting each other. Next take third box. Here in third box two hexagon are intersecting. In fourth two circles are intersecting. Means two similar figures are intersecting here, but in first box there is no intersection point. See, that's why this is our answer, which is a different figure from others. Let's take seventh question. First you observe all the boxes carefully. All the boxes are having one arrow and shaded portion. See here. Now see their pointing point. See here in this first box this arrow is pointing towards shaded portion. In second also this arrow is pointing towards shaded portion. See third box, here this is a arrow mark which is pointing towards shaded portion. In fourth box this arrow is opposite of shaded portion, so which is a different from others, so our answer is fourth one. Let's take eighth question. Here in this they have given oval shape designs and two lines inside the oval shape. Okay, first to check one by one. In first box they have given two lines which are at the corner of the oval shape. In second box two lines which are present middle of the oval. In third box this line is present at the corner. In fourth these two lines which is present at the corner. It means our different figure is 2. Why? Because two lines are present at the middle, but in others there are two lines are present at the corner, so our answer is second one. Let's take ninth question. First you see all the boxes carefully. See, first box is having triangle and two arrows. This triangle is having 3 lines and which is having 2 arrows. One less line of this triangle. Okay, this is having 3 lines, 2 arrows. Let's take second box. Here in this having rectangle which is having 4 lines and arrows are 4 arrows. See, 4 lines, 4 arrows. In third box they have given square which is having 4 lines, but arrows are 3, means one less line of this shape. See, in fourth box they have given pentagon which is having 5 lines and arrows are 4, means one less than of this shape. Okay, so 4 lines, 4 arrows which is different from others, so our answer is second one. Let's take 10th question. In 10th question, first you observe all the boxes carefully. See, all the boxes having 2 arrows which is towards right side. See here, which is also towards right side, which is also right side, right side. Now see middle point. See, in first box which is in straight line, I mean 180 degree. In second box also in straight line, I mean 180 degree. In third box they are opposite, and fourth box also they are in straight line. See here, this. So our different figure is third one. Let's take 11th question. Here in this you need to identify 3 should be similar, 1 is different. See here middle lines. See, in first box, two lines, two parallel lines which are in horizontal. In second box, two parallel lines which are in vertical. In third box, two parallel lines are in horizontal. In fourth box, two parallel lines are in horizontal. Except two remaining are in horizontal. So our different figure is second one. Let's take 12th question. First you observe all the figures carefully. First box having straight line, second straight line, third straight line. Only fourth is having curved line. So which is different from others. So answer is 4. Let's take 13th question. First you observe all the figures carefully. All the boxes having two oval shaped designs. See here. This is design. See. Here in this case, you just see below part carefully. Actually, odd man out is a keen observation part. Here you see below part which is having two straight line and little curved here. In second box, two straight lines here. In third box, there is no straight line, only curved shape here. In fourth box, these two straight line, little curved, means except 3 remaining boxes are having two straight lines. See here, first box, second box, this fourth box. So our answer is third one. Let's take 14th questions. Here in this 14th questions, all the boxes are having 4 arrows. 2 boxes are in vertical, 2 boxes are in horizontal. See, 2 are in vertical, 2 are in horizontal. Now see the directions, okay? In first box, up, down, means which are in alternate. Second box, in second box, first arrow is towards right, second left, right. Now check in third, which is down, up, means alternate, which are in alternate. Now check in fourth, left, right, means except 2 remaining arrows are in alternate. So our answer is second one. Let's take 15th question. First you observe all the boxes carefully. By observing, we are identifying that except 2 remaining figures are in same design. See here, this cross point here, this cross point here, this cross point here. But in second, these 2 points are in horizontal. So our answer is second one. Let's take 16th question. First you observe all the boxes carefully. All the boxes are having circle, middle circle. Now see there, this curve cut. See this ending curve. This first box which is having curve line. In second box also curve line at the end of the circle. In third box also curve line. But in 4 there is no curve line. This is V-shape cut at the circle. So which is different from others. So answer is fourth one. Let's take 17th question. For this, you observe all the boxes carefully. See this curve line cut. In first box, there is short at the middle, larger at the outer side of the circle. In second box, short, this curve line cut short at the middle, more at the outers of the circle. In third also, short at the middle, or more large at the outer of the circle. See this curve line cut more at the middle and less at the outer of the circle. So which is different. So answer is fourth one. Let's take 18th question. See in 18th question all the boxes are having arrow mark and this V cut. See one by one. Okay. In first box is having arrow and V cut. And second box is having arrow, V cut. Third box is having arrow and V cut. and but in fourth, which is a bidirectional line, so which is different from others. So answer is fourth one. Let's take 19 questions. First you observe all the boxes carefully. All the boxes are having triangle. Next check this circle. This is present outer of the triangle, inside, outer, inside. Means two are inside, two are at outside. Let's check now this cross, which is present outer of the triangle. In second box also present outer of the triangle. But in third, there is no cross cut, which is absent here. So answer is third. In fourth also, which is present outer. So only in third, x is absent. So answer is third. Let's take 20th question. In 20th, they have given one hexagon and one this design, one line, this arrow mark. See. This arrow. See, all boxes are having hexagon and this simple line, one arrow mark. See here. I am checking anti-clockwise direction starting from this line, okay, in all the boxes. So if I check from there is no, the two sides are empty. Here also empty, here also empty. At the corner of second, there is arrow mark. Now let's check in second box. See here, this line is here. This is empty. There is no design. Here also empty. At the end of this side, there is arrow mark. Now let's check in third box. Here it is having one line. Only one side is empty. And next is arrow, which is different. So answer is third. Let's check in fourth also. See here, this side is here. This line is here. Two sides are empty. There is no design here. After end of this side, there is arrow mark. So answer is third one. Let's take 21 question. Here in this first box, see, it is having two shaded parts. If I check from here, shaded part, 4 parts are empty. See here. If I check from here, 2 parts are empty between these two shaded parts. Now let's check in second box. If I check in either direction, 3 boxes are empty, either in this direction or either in this direction. In third box also, 3 parts are empty between two shaded parts in either direction. In fourth box also, 3 parts are empty when I check in either direction. It means you can say other way also, this shaded part is opposite of another shaded part. In third also, this shaded part is opposite of another shaded part. This shaded part is opposite of another shaded part. But only one which is different from others. So answer is 1. Let's take 22 question. Here in this they have given one t-shirt, frock, shirt, next which is pant. So these 3 are wear on upper part of the body, which is lower part of the body. So answer is fourth one, because remaining 3 we wear on the upper part of the body. Let's take 23rd question. See, first you see all the figures carefully. See, by observing we are identifying that first box is having only one design, third box is having one design, fourth box is having one design. But only in second box they have given 2 designs. See here, one square and one triangle. So which is different from others. So answer is second one. Let's take 24th question. See, they have given one circle, next the diagonals. See, in first box they have given 6 parts. In second box they have given 8 parts. In third also they have given 8 parts. In fourth also they have given 8 parts. But only in first box they have given 6 parts, which is different from others. You can say you can say other way also. Second, third, 4 is having 4 diameters, but in first box is having only 3 diameters. See here, 1 diameter, 2 diameter, 3 diameter. So which is different from others? Answer is first one. Let's take 25th question. See here, all the boxes are having circles. Now count their middle lines. First box is having 4 lines at the middle of the circle. Now count second box. First 1, 2, 3, which is having 3 line. Now count in third box, which is having 3, 4, 5. Now count in fourth box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means 4 is even number. 3, 5, 7 are odd numbers. So our answer is first one, because this is a even number. 26th question. First you observe all the figures carefully. By observing we are identifying that first box is having 1 sign, second box is having 1 sign, third box is having 1 sign, but in fourth they are given 2 sign here. So which is different from others. So answer is fourth one. Let's take 27th question. First you observe all the figures carefully, and all the figures are made by lines, but only second is not made by lines, which is different from others. So answer is second one. See here, first is made by lines, second, third also made by lines, fourth also made by lines. So answer is 2. Let's take 28th question. See, first you observe all the figures carefully. 1 dark line, 2 empty circles. Sorry, 1 dark point, 2 empty circle. Here this dark circle is which is a straight line of this another empty circle. But in second, this dark circle is equal distance of remaining 2 circles. In third also, this dark circle is equal distance of remaining 2 circles. In fourth also, this dark circle is equal distance of remaining 2 circles. So only our different figure is first one. Let's take 29th question. First you observe all the figures carefully. First box is having bird face, second box is having bird face, third box is having bird face. But only in fourth box they have given snake, which is a reptile, which is different from others. So answer is fourth one. Let's take 30th question. See, they have given 2 chilli, 1 salt, honey, garam masala. By observing first box, which is having 2 chillis, don't get confused by which is 2, these are all 1. So this must be the answer. So, but actually this is not the answer. You think in different way. Chilli is a vegetable, salt is a uncountable noun, and which is also comes in vegetable, and garam masala is uncountable noun, which also comes in vegetable. But only honey is different, which is made from honey bees, so which is different from others. All remaining are related to vegetables, only honey is different, so answer is honey, third one.